G'day YouTube, I'm Ben. Today we're going to learn to do this. We first hear of the Staff Sling by a man named Vegetius in the Roman period. So it must have been invented, or at least come to Rome, sometime between Caesar and Vegetius. During the medieval period, the staff sling was primarily a weapon of the Roman auxiliaries. During the medieval period, we mostly know of it as a weapon to defend castles from sieges and also during naval warfare. Essentially, it consists of several parts. There is a staff, 2 cords, a leather pouch, and of course the ammunition. I find a staff about this length works well for me. There's 2 cords, each approximately 65 centimeters long. That works well for me too. And a leather pouch. The pouch needs to be small enough to firmly hold the ammunition in place, but not too large, otherwise it's just a parachute. There are many ways to make a pouch. This one is made from a simple scrap piece of leather. It has an even number of holes on either side, and the cords are tied off with a fisherman's knot. One cord has a loop so that as the angle of the staff changes, the cord simply disengages. The other cord is tied directly to the staff. In this case, I'm simply using a broom handle. Perhaps I'm cheating, but it works well for me and it's very inexpensive. Ammunition. I mostly just use a tennis ball. It's fun. You can, of course, use other things. Historically, as a weapon, you might use purposely built and cast ceramics or even lead shot, or perhaps just stones. And that's one of the advantages of a weapon such as this. And obviously in a bushcraft or a survival situation, this is something definitely worth considering. Ammunition is everywhere, literally. So the technique of using a staff sling, very, very simple. I'm right-handed, so left-handers reverse all this. The target is to my left. Lean back slightly on my right leg. My right foot is 90 degrees to the target. My knee is slightly bent. My dominant hand, my right hand, is roughly in the middle of the staff. My non-dominant or left hand is on the end of the staff. Grip the staff firmly and use a simple fluid motion towards the target. I find using stones roughly slightly smaller than my fist, I can get around about 50 to 60 meters quite easily. With a tennis ball, obviously it's less than that, simply because of the less weight and it's a larger design, that kind of thing, more air resistance. Still a lot of fun. Remember to use a powerful push-pull motion. Remember, if you're going to use stones or lead or clay ammunition, that is live ammunition and you could potentially kill someone or seriously injure them. Be smart, be careful, be safe, have fun. It's basically a handheld trebuchet.
Oh.